have an unwanted life partner called ME or CFS. It's not uncommon among autistic people to have autoimmune diseases. And as happy as I was getting my autism diagnosis, it's a completely different experience being diagnosed with a chronic illness. For a part of this summer, I thought I was cured. I was in the best remission I've ever had. Last 3 years have been tough. And I've been sort of mulling over how strange it was that I became less communicative while in the remission. I think I was afraid of jinxing it by talking about it. But then, sure enough, I had a relapse at the end of July, and I'm slowly recuperating from that now. And lo and behold, I'm making videos again. Not sure where I'm going with this. I just wanted to break the ice about this issue. If there's anyone else out there in the knitting community with ME, I see you, I feel you. I know there's a lot of autistics in the knitting community. I see all of you as well. I've made a few videos about the healing nature of knitting and crafting. For me, the different lifestyle after becoming ill has led to a lot of creativity. I began designing after I fell ill. I've always been a hard worker before, and many times I've said I wish I could quit my day job and just knit. So maybe the message of this video is be careful what you wish for.